Welcome back. Now I want us to talk about trends. Remember I told you that the market moves in trends. We have uptrend, we have downtrend, and we have the sideways movement. And also remember I told you the market does not move in a straight line. The market actually moves like this. It moves up, retraces, and then goes back up, retraces, continue the upward movement. So this is a typical price movement, what you will have when the market is moving. It starts from here, it goes up, it retraces here, and then it goes back up, and then it forms a higher movement, comes down, forms another higher movement. It gets to this point where the market is not making higher movements. It's trying to turn. Okay? It turns and it comes back down. This is one way the market can actually happen. Another way it can happen is forming higher movements. It gets to this point and then is having what we call the consolidation. The major difference between these two, you can see that this one has a higher hand here and it has lower highs on this point. But for this one, it's similar to what I explained in the former trade, that the market is moving. It doesn't have a directed movement, but it's moving sideways. This is a consolidation. All right. So let me break this down. So this side where the market is moving higher, we call it the uptrend. Okay, this is the uptrend. All right, and what do you do in an uptrend? You buy, right? Now when the market got to this point, we don't have an uptrend here, right? The market is consolidating, so this is not the best place for us to trade. Now, if you come back to if you continue and come to this side, discover that the market has started to come down. So we have what we call our down trend here. So we have the down trend. Okay, we have the down trend. So we have the uptrend, we have the consolidation here, and then we have the downtrend. When the market is moving up, you buy. When the market is coming down, you sell. When the market is consolidating, you stay out of the market. All right, that is how it works. So the next question you want to ask is, so on a normal chart, how do I easily recognize a trend? How do I easily recognize an uptrend? How do I easily recognize a downward trend? The major rule is this. In an uptrend, you're going to have what's called the higher highs and the higher lows. Look at this. Can you see the price move up? It retraced here, okay, and then moved higher than this last point, okay. So this is what we call the higher high. This point is the higher high. Are you getting it? This is the high, this is the higher high. Now, if you look at this, this is where the market actually started the movement. This is the lowest point. The market moved up, retraced, and came back to a low. But that low is higher than this one before it continued and gave us the higher high. So we call it the higher low. Did you get that? Moved, retraced, and then moved higher. That gave us the higher high and the higher low. Now when the market actually got to this point again, it retraced another bit and then moved even higher. So we have another higher high here, and then we have higher low here. So this gives you a definition of the uptrend. Anytime you have higher highs and higher lows, you have an uptrend. Now for the downtrend, you are going to be talking of we are going to be talking of lower highs and lower lows. Now look at this, the market came down, retraced back up and moved lower. So this gave us lower low. Did you get that? Because this was the high, the market came, retraced up, but it could not get back to this level. So we have a lower high here. Okay, when the market retraced, it came even lower. We had another lower low here, and this gave us another lower high. Did you get that? That is how to identify your uptrend. So this is the uptrend. Okay, and this is the down trend. What do you do in an uptrend? You buy. What do you do in a downtrend? You sell. Uptrend is easy to recognize. When you begin to see higher highs, you know you have an uptrend. Higher highs and higher lows. For downtrend, you have lower highs and lower lows. That is just a simple explanation of how to fix your trends. So when you get to the chart, all you want to peak is do I have high highs, so I have high lows. If you have that, then you have an uptrend. You have lower highs, do I have lower lows. If you have that, then it shows you have a downtrend. So this is what you have for a typical trend. Alright, we'll go to the charts now, and then I will show you that on a live trading platform. Thank you.